Pour the chives into the tofu, then crack in 2 eggs and then mash it. After that, you'll have the best new way to cook tofu, which is also our restaurant's signature dish that we order every week. I believe many of you have never seen or eaten it before. After mixing well, add a spoonful of flour, a spoonful of salt, and a spoonful of chicken bouillon, and mix well again. After mixing well, add a spoonful of flour and mix well again. After mixing well, take a small amount and roll it into a small ball. Then flatten it into a small patty shape. Brush oil on a frying pan. Place the patties in the pan and fry over medium-low heat until one side is golden brown. Flip and fry the other side, flipping several times during the process. Once both sides are golden brown and cooked through and the center is puffed up, it is ready to be taken out of the pan. From now on, try making tofu like this. It has the fresh aroma of chives and the tender smoothness of tofu. Crispy on the outside and soft and fluffy on the inside. It is delicious. If you like tofu, you should try this recipe. Save it now.